Good morning, Mighty Owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Wednesday, October 7th, 2020. Today is a C day. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state, under God, one indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses. Each and every day, I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now it's time for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, Idea South Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here are a couple of things that happened. Scholars, I heard that we had some pre-K and scholars that were doing amazing counting in their math class. Nice job. I also heard that we had scholars practicing their writing in 1st through 4th grade, using their own thoughts and ideas about their stories in which they want to write. So great job, scholars. I also heard that there are some scholars that are really working hard to be royal readers and word masters. Keep up all the hard work. Great job, scholars. It's a great day to learn. Hoot, hoot!